and our entire institution. I extend a warm welcome to all of you for joining us today at the launch of No Smoking Month. We are particularly honored to have representatives from the Ministry of Health, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, palakpakan natin ang MOH, the Ministry of Interior and Local Government, or MILG, the Bangsamoro Youth Commission, the WPYC, and student leaders from our tertiary, junior high school, and senior high school. Your presence today signifies the collective power of our community in promoting a healthy environment and empowering individuals to make positive choices for their well-being. As we embark on this month-long campaign, let us remember the crucial role we play in raising public awareness about the detrimental effects of smoking, the harmful consequences of tobacco use not only impact the smoker's health, but also those raising those around him. This launch serves not only as a call to action, but also a beacon of support for those seeking to break free from the grip of nicotine addiction. We are here to celebrate their journey and offer resources to guide them on the path towards a healthier life. To our student leaders, you are the future change makers. Your voices carry immense power. Let us use this platform to inspire our peers, families, and communities to embrace a smoke-free lifestyle. Together, we can create a healthier future for all. Daghang salamat and maayong buhay.
Thank you so much, Mom. We are for the world. Welcome to us.